Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook ad like so for your business using Canva. Our task is that Pizza is launching a Sunday special offering 50% off on all the pizzas. Today, we're going to create a Facebook ad for the same project. Canva is a free-to-use graphic design tool that makes it super easy for you to create fun and engaging Facebook and Instagram ad. If you don't already have a Canva account, go ahead and sign up because signing up for this account is absolutely free of cost. Alright, so step 1 would be to launch your Canva app and search for Facebook ad over here. Once you do that, hit search. And over here, you're going to have so many different templates that you can choose from. We have approximately 5,162 templates. So scroll through it, take a look, see what you like. You can also use their filter section if you want to filter out a certain template by a particular style, a particular theme, whether it's for an ad, business, whether you're promoting a sale, or a particular color style as well. So let's say I really like this one for example. So I would click this one. First thing I'm going to do is change the name. So you can do that by going to the box over here. And I'm just going to put that as Facebook ad pizza. The step 2 would be to design this ad. To do that, I'm just going to introduce you guys to some features on the left hand side that you can use when creating your ad. We have elements tab over here, which is basically different elements and graphics that you can use on this ad. So we have photos, we have stickers, we have videos as well, we have different charts, tables. So these are some creative elements that you can drag and drop. So let's say I want to take a look at different sticker options, and let's say I really like this one. So I can just put this over here, scale it down, place it wherever I like. Next feature is upload. So if you want to upload a photo, a video, anything you want, you can do that as well. Then we have the text tab over here if you want to add a certain text to your ad and customize it. So if you want to customize this text, you can go on the top bar, select the different font style options you have. You can also select the dimension or the sizes for the text you like, and also you can select the color for the text, so you can play around over here. We also have the alignment tool, so whether you want your text to be aligned towards the center on your left hand side, you can play with that as well. You also have some effects, which is where you're going to see different shadow effect, like a lifting effect, glitch effect, neon effect. So you can actually play around with different elements, and again, this is a pro feature, so if you don't have it, it's okay. You can try the pro version for free of cost if you really need that feature, but if you don't, you should be better off with the free plan as well. Next, we have the photos section. So we have different sort of free photos that you can use in this ad. So let's take a look at pizza photos for example. So we have really nice pictures of pizza. So let's say if you want to use this one, you can just click over here, place it in a certain area of the graphic, and yeah, that should be it. We also have the audio tab over here if you want to add a certain music, and we also get the video tab over here. So these are all the free video footages that you can use for your ad. Next, you can select the background as well, and also you have charts and a lot of other features. So the first thing I like to do is change the copy. So I'm just gonna put that as 50% off, and I'm gonna make that really big like that, and I would add a second subheading that says on all pizzas, and I would decrease the size of my second copy, for instance, and I'm just gonna make it really small like so. And then I would add another subheading that says Sunday special, and we're gonna make this text a bit more funkier. So we're going to click over here, and I'm going to go under the different text style options that we have. So let's take a look at this one, or maybe like Chloe for example. So let's say we really like this one, and then I would click over here and select the color, and I'm going to select that as more like a dark green color. And you can also increase the size of this text and decrease it as you like. And then I would add some effects to this text. I'm just going to add a shadow effect just to see how that looks like, and I can also change the direction of the shadow effect. If I want it to be in a certain way, I can just play around with the tab. And for my on all pizza text, I would go over here and select maybe like Cerebri, and we're gonna make it bold, and we're gonna do italics to it. And the next thing that you need your Facebook ad to have is a call to action. So our call to action would be to buy this pizza right now. So we're gonna click over here, and I'm also gonna make this text a bit bold, and I'm just gonna make this button a bit bigger. The next thing I'm gonna do is change this image because this is an ad for pizza, so we want a really nice pizza on our Facebook ad. So I'm just gonna delete this, and then I would click photos, and I was already searching for some pizza options, as you can see. So when you scroll through it, you're going to see different varieties of images that you can use, so you can get like really creative with this ad. So I really like this picture. I think it's pretty nice and vibrant, so I am gonna take this and drop it over here. So that looks good. The other thing I would like to do is click edit image, and then I would go down and try to find shadows. So this is a really cool tool. So you're gonna click see all, and then I would add a backdrop shadow. So do you see how that gives a really nice shadow on the back? I really like it. It just makes the image look a much more dynamic. I also want to change the text color of this 50% off because I feel this black is too harsh. So I would click over here, then click the color icon, and then I'm just going to make it more like a gray color, like so. And I'm also going to add some effects to it, maybe like a shadow effect. Perfect. Looks a lot more nicer, looks a lot more lively, and I really like it. When you're designing a Facebook ad, it needs to be relevant, needs to have a unique value proposition, and a very clear call to action. The ad is relevant, the ad has the value proposition, which is that we're offering 50% off on all the pizza, and a very clear call to action that says buy now. The last tool that I want to show you is the animate feature. So when you click animate over here, we have different animations that you can choose from. So we have basic. So let's take a look at all the options. So let's say if I click pan, so you see how that was just like panning across the screen. Then we have a fade feature, so that's what it is gonna look like. We have a stomp feature as well, which is gonna look something like that, really nice and fun. We have pop feature. We have the tumble feature, which I really like as well. So if you like a certain animation, you can add that as well. And then also you can set the timing. So whether you want this animation and everything, the entire ad to run for like 5 seconds or maybe like 10 seconds, you can do that as well. And then just to see how that looks, you can click the play button on the top and click play. And over here, as you can see, my ad is running for overall 10 seconds. So the next thing we're going to do is download this ad. So you're going to click share, then you will click download. And we have different file types, so you can download it as JPG, which is best for sharing. So JPG is just a static image with no animations in it. So if you want this ad just as a nice simple image that conveys the information, you can go for JPG. You can go for PNG as well because it's good for complex images and illustrations. If you want to print this ad, you can also go for PDF standard, PDF print. We also have SVG if you're going to use this ad for any sort of web design and animation as well. And then the next one we have is MP4 video. So since I added a bit of animations to this ad, I'm gonna download it as MP4 video, and I would click download over here. I'm also going to download it as a static image just to show you guys what that would look like. So I would click PNG over here, and then I would click download. Perfect. So as you can see, we have 2 downloads. So let's take a look at the animated version. Perfect. That looks really nice, really good. This is the animated version of the ad, and this is the image version of our Facebook ad. Step 3 would be to go to your Facebook ad manager and click create campaign, and then select the campaign objective. So I would select that as reach, then click continue. Then give a name to your campaign. Let's put that as pizza ad, and go through all of these aspects, fill them out, then click next. Select the Facebook page where you want your ad to be shown, enter your budget details, the start date and the end date of the ad. You can put them over here as well, and create your audience, meaning where you want your ad to be targeted. So if you're running this ad because you have a store in just Toronto, you can target this ad just for the audience living over here, and select your Facebook page. So I have selected that already. If you want it to be linked to your Instagram account, you can do that as well. Then we have the ad setup page where you can select your format, so whether you want it as a single image or video. And on this side, you're going to see what that would look like. We have the ad preview section. You can also have it as a carousel, which is like 2 or more images or video put together. You can also have them as a collection if you like. For this tutorial, we're going to stick to single images or video, and then go down to the ad creative section, which is where we're going to upload our images or the animated video we just created. So I would click edit, and I would click change media, and then I would click upload. And there we go. That's our Facebook ad, and it is in the PNG form right now. So I will click that and click open. Now you can see what your ad shall look like, whether it's in a feed or in stories or in search results. I also added a really nice copy that says, hey, it's a Sunday special. You can get 50% off on all the pizzas. You can check us out at www.pizzapizza.com. And over here, you can also see what my ad would look like on Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook Marketplace, and so on. And that's what our ad would look like once it goes live. So the next step would be just to fill out all the information over here and publish the ad. Set the budget as well. We're gonna do a separate video where we go more in depth about how to run Facebook ads. But in this video, I just wanted to show you guys an actual tutorial of designing your Facebook ad using Canva without requiring you to hire freelancers and paying money for it. You can do it using Canva as well, and then just publish the ad, and that should be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this ad, and yeah, I shall see you guys in my next one. And subscribe to our channel Creative Cuddle to watch more of the creative content coming your way.